Welcome to the Canva Classroom, everybody. It means the world to me that you are choosing to learn how to use Canva from the Canva Classroom. Today is a subscriber celebration, and I'm going to celebrate the YouTube content creator today. If you aren't a content creator, that's okay. The tips and tricks I give in this lesson will be helpful for any Canva user. We're going to take a YouTube thumbnail Canva template and create our own template with it. Let's get started. I really like to use templates as a way to be inspired. I was inspired by this one to create this one. How did I do that? I used grids, and we're going to learn how to create that real quickly. The first thing I'm going to do, I don't know why that just came up, is go to Elements and grab a one panel grid. It went to the back automatically. So I'm going to send that backwards so that I can grab that and bring it to the front. I'm going to slide it in so that I can see this. I'm actually going to get rid of that image and this paintbrush. And then I'm going to grab this. I'm going to make it black and bring it to the front. Right click, bring to the front, and use the rotation arrow to get it at the same angle. And that looks like it's at the same angle to me. And then I'm going to drop this down. Get that grid and spot. I'm going to send it to the backwards and then delete it. And now I can make this grid this size and send it to the back. I'll make it a color. Why don't I make it my brand color? Now I need a line. So L on the keyboard. Line weight, I'm going to make this one 15. Why not? The line, I'm going to make it flat on the end, and I think I will just leave it at white for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to shrink it. And you can shrink the size by grabbing the end point. And I do that to make it easier to manipulate. It is easier for me to manipulate it when I can grab the endpoint rather than the rotate button for lines. Let's bring it over here and then get it in its spot. Now you can make it the right length. This one in position all the way. Let's take it down. Now there's a template to create thumbnails, and you can pop images in. What if we were doing a running something? So you can pop this image there, and you can even manipulate the back grid or crop it to get it closer like this. Right, and then change your font here. Definitely change the font to something different. Use your brand font. Whatever your brand font is, that's what you would want to use. To me, how to stay healthy this summer is too wordy for a thumbnail. You would want shorter. Anyway, we're talking thumbnails all tomorrow, so that we can create this. And I'll also give you some tips and tricks on how I create something to help me as a content creator, which will help you design faster thumbnails every single time. Thank you for learning with me today. If you like this tutorial and want to see more like it, remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bells. Also, give it a thumbs up because that tells me that this is the kind of lesson that you enjoy. In the meantime, I recommend you check out one of these videos. See you next time. Bye.